Alright, so this is an unboxing of the new Amazon Android mirror. It replaces the mirror. It's a backup camera, and it even has a front-facing camera. And I ordered it off of Amazon. It was like 179 bucks. And I've ordered one before, and I was let down really bad. But it came in an all plastic bag from Amazon. And this box is pretty cool. I feel like this box is really gonna protect the product. Like, so next it has this styrofoam over it. After that, it's the camera. Well, excuse me, it's the mirror. And it legitly is a replacement. So that's not the one that just fits over. It's supposed to replace the whole mirror. It's the 8-inch version. And let's see, on the top there are slots for some kind of GPS card, a SIM card, the DVR, and the old school USB. So that's pretty cool. The weight, it's a nice weight on this thing. A nice weight to it. But that's cool that you can stick a SIM card in it. So I guess I could like get like a cheap service and then just take the SIM card from a cheap service or cell phone provider and just stick it in there. That's the backup camera. I meant the front-facing camera. And let's see. Oh, that's nice and stiff. So it probably won't dance around too much. I'm not gonna say it's not gonna dance around at all, especially if you got subs in your car. It's probably gonna dance a little bit. But I do like the weight of it. It's a solid item. Let's see what these connections are. One of these connections, this one is probably for the GPS, if it has GPS. And that one probably connects to power and the input for the backup camera. What else I got here? It's a ring that comes off, and I pull that off. And the first thing I see is the replacement footing that goes over the that is freaking cool right there, actually. So yeah, this is what I would replace the mount on my window with. And it looks like it has a adjustment. No, that don't move at all. I don't think the part right there moves with these little notches. It looks like it sits stationary. Oh wow. The little, I guess you call it like a ball and socket, that's actually hard to move. So that's gonna be stiff. That's pretty cool. Alright, the next piece is the wires that I will use to oh wow, check that out. So I guess these are the power wires, and it's your 12 volt constant, 12 volt for memory, and the ground wire. And that's cool because that means that whatever settings that I put on this, it will retain those settings the same way like my car stereo would. Actually like that. So I probably got to fish this all the way through the car.
So how much money you guys making in that?
I believe that this red cable right here is what I would. It's like the trigger for the backup camera, make the backup camera come on automatically.
How much I'm curious was like.
So that should be cool too. And this part right here It's probably what's going to plug into the backup camera so that I can get the footage from it. I believe this is just a bag of different, all the screws all over the box. So yeah, this is probably just something to adjust it. Oh, okay. Actually, I don't know. Oh, so it looks like that might go in here. Yeah. So this part looks like it should go in there. And then, or maybe I don't need to use it. Oh, okay, I get it. So that'll go on there. So maybe his the little mount. That's cool. So it gives you like an assortment of different options to mount this on the mirror. I like that. I'm not using any of this though. I'm just going to take the one that's on there off my mirror that's currently on my vehicle and then replace it with this. Yeah, so that'll sit up in there. Then I'll screw it down with these little screws probably. And then slide that over the foot. It does have a GPS. That is freaking pimp. I like that a lot. So it has built-in GPS. It should for $179. And then this is the backup camera. And like I said, that red wire is a trigger or power. Or power for the camera, so we'll see how that works out. So, like I said, there's some screws that have fallen out. I guess it was, I hope that's not used or refurbished. Cause there was a sticker on here at some point.
Fucking hilarious.
Let's see what the paperwork says. Oh, it says Android DVR. That's cool. So the paperwork, oh wow, it spells out what the stuff is. So that's, like I said, that was the rear view camera. I guess that's the trigger wire coming off of the rear camera. And then the rear extension cable.
It's been redone.
And then, like I said, those are power cables and a GPS antenna. And, oh wow, look at that. So connect 12 volts for reverse polarity and reverse warning line. So that's cool. So the reverse warning lines, and most of these cameras, you can have a separate 12 volt that will illuminate
I don't see color either.
these red lines that come up. That help you guide yourself into a parking spot.
Yo, the
And
accident I saw yesterday.
then
I'm recording
Bro,
this is just a regular
coming out of Wegmans.
red wire for to tell the unit
I was headed
that hey, I'm in reverse. So
Arlington.
be ready to be a trick. Well, that's a trick. Oh,
Reaching behind me, and I'm like, oh shit. So you know,
dropped
the
it.
wheel
I don't think that hurt it though.
behind me. There's this car. coming
Let's see what
out,
this says.
And the girl didn't see him.
Smart rear view mirror instruction.
Hit the tail end of this guy's car, the curb.
Matters needing attention and overview of the product. Most of these, when coming from foreign countries,
That girl was.
the verbiage is a little bit off when read.
She had good airbags though.
Yeah.
But
Barely had a scratch. She didn't know where the fuck she was.
before driving, it says it has 1080p. I guess that's what it's trying to tell me.
California, every time it rains.
And it does have the automatic right there, automatic reverse rear view.
One raindrop hits
It supports collision lock shadow, whatever that is.
So
GPS navigation, Bluetooth, phone, mobile phone, Bluetooth pairing, your call address book, 4G internet. So this product supports 4G traffic data on the internet. You can download to browse internet related information. That's actually written really well. Frequency modulation. If your car sound cool, you can use this product of FM emission features, allowing you to ride the FM radio receiving. This product launch on audio. Relax and enjoy the comfortable car audio. That's pretty cool. So maybe you can push the sounds from this mirror through an FM station. It has voice commands. Now that's awesome. Play music, navigate to museum, call Zane, whoever that is, hands-free and ensure driving safer. Wow. It has an overspeed warning on the navigation software. Road monitoring is optional. The road radar will flow velocity. Velocity means speed. Mobile phone control can be in real time. Can preview the phone pictures, video playback. This product can also do some settings, such as setting the brightness and volume. System upgrade can be done. OTA upgrade online. This is awesome. I'm really gonna like this. I'm really gonna like this. This is like $179 that I'm happy I spent so far. It shows you like some apps, I guess, that you can download for it. I don't know why my camera isn't letting it
And there's a car right here waiting to turn out of the liquor
focus
store.
in all the way on this
He waits until Hicks is right
writing.
next to him.
But like I say, Bluetooth navigation, play music, video playback, and some kind of setup. Then it has a DVR, so it shows you the video of driving.
I did find the.
That's awesome.
But still, when I click on those three little dots,
That's awesome.
it says adjustment.
And then you can go through the different files. So maybe it has like a loop function while it's recording in DVR mode.
It's like a grace period while that pay mod generation.
I like this.
Until it says
Phone Bluetooth. Although my car already has Bluetooth built in, so I'm probably gonna end up using that.
I'm looking. It looks like they've already been paid out though. You just seriously? You've been paid out for a while.
And a little different of an installation instruction.
You know, it was paid.
So far, so good. And those, I guess, are screws that you use when you're securing the back of this
Yeah, it's 3 days to pay and it's
mirror.
around 7 to 10 before you can do it.
I like this wire loom per se. Also, they use like some good wire loom on that. But hopefully, I can get this all up and running today. I'll probably do it during lunchtime.
Yeah, but they sent me like
All right.
3 of them.
I'll be back after I install it.
One